Mr. Sims, hi, this is Associate Richard Lom. Athena Wainwright wanted me to leave you a video voicemail regarding a potential lawsuit. So let me begin with the players here. A company by the name of Catalyzed Chemical Exotics Incorporated, for our narration purposes I'll refer to them as CCE, is blaming our client, Alchemagic Industrial Services Limited, and we'll refer to them as AIS, for an explosion that occurred at CCE's plant approximately 1 month ago. Now, AIS doesn't know the cause of the blast, and furthermore denies all blame. Now, first, let me explain a little bit about what it is that AIS does. AIS is actually contracted with CCE to replace or reprocess CCE's reactor catalyst. Now, this is done on an as-needed basis, and AIS gets paid a monthly fixed fee for doing so. Now, apparently this contract only mandates what size, shape, and performance characteristics the catalyst must have, but leaves completely up to AIS what type and how much material to use. That is AIS's call. Now, the issue here is directly related to catalyst reprocessing. This undertaking requires the adding and taking away of catalyst material to maintain catalyst performance. During the most recent reprocessing procedure, AIS replaced by volume 70% of the subject catalyst's material. That is approximately 50% of its mass. Now, CCE contends that it is this most recent reprocessed catalyst that caused the explosion. Procedurally speaking, before you can reprocess the catalyst, the entire catalyst assembly, and let me explain what that is. That is the catalyst and its frame that encompasses the catalyst. That catalyst assembly is actually removed from CCE's reaction chamber, which is permanently affixed to the concrete floor of the lab. Apparently, trying to move this thing, you would likely destroy the entire building. So while extracting the catalyst assembly from the chamber, technicians discovered that the frame had actually fused itself to the chamber's inner wall due to the natural reactive forces. The frame was pretty much destroyed during the removal process, so much so that it needed to be replaced entirely. Now, here's the big problem. The original, or I should say the origin of the new frame is not known. It's not clear whether AIS manufactured a new frame, purchased one from a third party, or if CCE supplied the new frame. Those are the operative facts as we understand them to be. If you've got additional questions or require further clarification, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks so much.